Welcome back again to my channel. I'll be sharing with you another video. I know it has been long I've been posting videos, but I'm back again to post videos, new content for you to be inspired. But today's lesson, which you saw me doing earlier, is the rudiment, which is the paradiddle. Most of you will be hearing the paradiddle. I'm going to teach you how to play the paradiddle and how to apply it. It's going to be very easy and straightforward. So this is the sticking here. You can see the sticking is just right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Now, right hand is play with an accent, and the left hand play with an accent. You can see that arrow there. And if you don't know what the accent means note being played louder than the other note. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. This is what an accent means. That's an accent. Note play louder than the other note. But I'm going to play it for you, the full paradiddle, for you to see. So check it out. Just all in snare drum. Let's go. As simple as that, that's just the paradiddle. I'm going to show you how to apply it. So check it out. To play a groove with this rudiment is going to be like this. So check it out. So to play that a little bit faster, it's going to be like this. And I'm going to be doing a little solo for you to check it out. So see it for yourself and be inspired though. So that's just simple. Although you saw a lot of mistakes, we all make mistakes, but we are working to perfection. And if you love this video, please do me one thing: subscribe. Subscribe, because I really, really appreciate your support and the love you showed me. For getting 900 subscribers is a small thing, but at least people have really done something great for me. But I really need more of your support and your encouragement. Please support me by reaching 1,000 subscribers this January 2023. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. I want to get 1,000 likes. I want to go viral. Let this video go viral. Share it with your family and your friends who love music, want to learn. God bless you. Peace.